Hi friends, light up your Diwali table with these easy bake pizza crackle canapés. Crunchy, cheesy and festive. For that, take some colored capsicums, red, yellow and green, and some frozen sweet corn, finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped onions, and pizza pasta sauce 1 tablespoon, and oregano a pinch, and I have Italian seasoning, so I am adding it as a pinch. If you don't have, no problem. Add salt and 1 tablespoon of cheese. Mix well and keep aside. Now let's coat our canapés with pizza sauce for that perfect tangy twist. Coat them evenly on all sides. See, like this. Now bake these canapés at 180 degrees for just 2 minutes till the edges turn crisp. Now fill the canapés with the prepared vegetable mixture. See, now they are ready. Now add a layer of mozzarella cheese on top and finish it with a sprinkle of chili flakes for that spicy kick. Just sprinkle a bit. Now bake again just until the cheese melts and turns slightly golden. Crispy, cheesy and bursting with flavor, your Diwali pizza crackle canapés are ready to shine. No canapés, no problem. Just cut sandwich bread or French loaf into small pieces and use them instead. Easy bake, veggie loaded and oh so cheesy. Serve and enjoy.